In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email signature in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a professional-looking signature set up and automatically attached to your outgoing emails, so you don't have to rewrite your contact details every time. Let's start inside your Zoho CRM account. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. This is the setup area where you control most of your system settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the setup page. On the setup page, we need to get to your email settings. In the left-hand navigation, or in the main options, find the section called Channels. Under Channels, choose Email, and then select Email Configuration. This is where Zoho lets you manage how your emails behave, including the signatures that will be attached to them. When you're in the email configuration area, scroll down until you see the section called Compose Settings. This section controls what your email compose window looks like and what gets added by default. Here, you'll see an option to add a new signature. Click on Add New Signature to open the signature editor. Now you'll see a text editor where you can design your email signature. This works similarly to a basic word processor. Start by typing in your key details, your full name, your job title, your company name, and any main contact information you want to share, such as a website or general office phone number. You can adjust the font style, size, and color to match your brand or keep it simple and clean. If you have a company logo, you can insert it as an image in the signature. Use the image option in the editor to upload or link your logo, then resize it so it looks balanced and not too large. You can also add hyperlinks, for example, turning your website URL or social media handles into clickable links. This gives your recipients quick access to learn more about you and your business. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you'll need to associate this signature with an email address. In the same window, select the email address you want this signature to be used with. This ensures the right signature appears when you compose messages from that address. Finally, click Save. Your new signature is now stored in Zoho CRM and will automatically appear in the Compose window whenever you send an email from the associated address.